Hey guys, it's Maymay. Welcome to another top tip video. It's been forever since we've done one of these, but here's one for you. Do you remember when I told you that sometimes paper companies are very generous with their paper? And even though you've bought a 12 by 12 paper pack, when you cut down a sheet into what you think it should be, some of the pieces are a little bit bigger than they should be? Watch this. So I want to make some 4 by 5 1/4 card bases out of this. Check this out. So I put this into my trimmer. Now in my mind, this is a 12 by 12 piece of paper. And normally I would cut this strip off first right to here. But today I'm not because I want to show you this. So I'm going to lay this in my trimmer and I'm going to cut this at 4 inches. And then I'm going to cut this guy at 4 inches, which would be a card mat, right? 4 by 5 1/4. So cut this little guy again. And now we're going to cut what should be our third 4-inch piece. And you would think, because this is 12 by 12 paper, it would match up perfectly. But watch this. Now, there's nothing wrong with this. We love when paper companies are generous with us because we know we get our pattern. But look, had I cut this strip off clean, like I did this one, let me show you. Had I cut this strip off clean, my card bases would have been 1/8 of an inch off, and this page was. And I thought this is a perfect time for me to show you this. That 1/8 of an inch is what can sometimes mess with you when you're cutting out your mats. So I suggest you do what I did. Before we cut that strip off, let's go ahead and cut our pieces down to what we need, and then that strip will hold any excess that we have. So I hope that makes sense for you. Just wanted to give you that little top tip. Many times paper companies are generous, and so when you guys are struggling getting your papers cut just right, just remember you might be starting with a bigger page than you think you are. So there you go, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.